Greeting cards have all been sent. The Christmas rush is through, but I still have one wish to make, a special one for you. Merry Christmas, darling. We're apart, that's true, but I can't dream out in my dreams. I'm Christmasing with you. Holidays are joyful. There is always something new, but every day's a holiday when I'm near you. The lights on my tree, I wish you could see, I wish it every day. Love's on the fire, fill me with desire to see you and to say that I wish you Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, darling.
Happy New Year too. I just want to wish on this Christmas Eve. I wish I were with you. Love's on the fire, fill me with desire to see